Hello my friends, welcome to this video in which I will show you how to dismantle this type of fauteuil. This is done within a little move I'm doing, and as I told you in the video, whatever you can dismantle, you have to dismantle it. Let's go! So for dismantling this type of furniture, you will need Allen keys. Usually they were provided when you purchased this piece of furniture. Today I'm using the screwdriver. It will be quicker, but the Allen key does perfectly the job. So for undoing them, we just have to take the Allen keys. These are in the set of tools of the basic toolbox. Starting managing the drilling machine. So the Allen keys on the screwdriver are looking like this. Now I'm choosing the one which is fitting on the screws I have here. And that's the good one. So now I'm putting the time lapse. So here, very careful not to lose these pieces. So here it's the same. As I remove the screws, it will go out alone. Then we still have these pieces here. This will enable also to reduce the volume for the move. So it's not the same size of Allen key. So I'm holding it with the Phillips on this side, and then I'm removing this one here. One little hint, don't do this on a lawn because you risk to lose the screws. That's it my friends, just take all the screws. I'm checking that there are no screws anymore inside. This, my friends, that's already done, finished. So now I'm finishing to prepare the car for the move. I hope to see you very soon on Happy Hour TV 1.